In this particular video, my dear students, we shall discuss the book exercise of chapter 2. So those who have got book, they must do in the book. If you are not having book, somewhere on a page you must write the answers. So when you get the book, you can do them. Clear? So let's start this. First, stick the correct. First question. Which of the following is reproduced by budding? First question. Which of the following is reproduced by budding? The answer is east. A. This is the answer. East. Clear all of you? East is the answer. Next, in tulip, ginger and potato, the part of the plant that get modified for vegetative propagation is the stem. Stem is the answer for it. Clear, my dear students? Next, which of the following is an example of artificial vegetative propagation? Artificial vegetative propagation. Grafting, cutting, layering. So, all of them will come. Answer is all of them. Clear? All of them. Next, fourth one, a flower is a, this answer will come, reproductive part of plant. This is the answer, reproductive part of a plant. Clear all of you? Reproductive part of plant. So first answer is east, second answer is stem, third answer is all of them, and fourth answer is reproductive part of plant. Reproductive part of plant. Now let us discuss further. Fifth one, components of essential wholes of a flower are. A is the answer, androecium and gynoecium. This is the answer. Clear? Androecium and gynoecium is the answer for it. Clear? Fifth answer is androecium and gynoecium. Next, Spirogera. Spirogera can reproduce asexually by fragmentation is the answer. Clear? Spirogera can reproduce asexually by fragmentation is the answer. Next, seventh, salvia is an example of insect pollinated flower. Insect pollinated flower. This is the answer. Clear, my dear students? Insect pollinated flower. Next, eighth one answer, bryophyllum reproduce vegetatively by means of adventitious buds is the answer. Adventitious buds. So fifth answer is androecium and gynoecium. Sixth answer is fragmentation. Seventh answer is insect pollinated flower. Eighth answer is adventitious buds. Eighth answer, adventitious buds. Clear all of you? Got understood? Next question, fill in the blanks with correct option. This we will see. Let us see, fill in the blanks. First answer, in days an outgrowth develops upon the parent plant and then breaks away from it. The answer is budding. First answer is budding. Fusion of male cell with the female cell. Fusion of male cell with the female cell is called fertilization is the answer. Fertilization. Next, pistil is the female organ of flower. Female organ of flower. Next, stamen is the male organ of flower. Male organ of flower. Clear? Next, the ovary becomes the fruit of plant. Sixth, in tissue culture method, plants are grown scientifically in laboratory condition. So in the fill in the blanks, just you see, first answer is budding, second answer is fertilization, third answer is female, fourth is male, fifth answer is fruit, sixth answer is scientifically. Clear? All of you got understood fill in the blanks. Now let us move further. True and false. First one, state if the following statement is true or false. Correct the false statement. First one, carpel is the male reproductive part of flower. Carpel is the male reproductive part of flower. This is false statement. This is false. Clear? Now how will correct it? Instead of carpel, you have to write stamen. Instead of carpel, you must write stamen. S-T-A-M-E-N. S-T-A-M-E-N. Stamen. Instead of carpel, you have to write stamen. Next, second, binary fission and budding are the types of asexual reproduction. This statement is true. Clear? This statement, it is true. Next, seeds are produced from the anthers. This third statement, it is false. It is false. And instead of seeds, you have to write pollen. Instead of seeds, what you have to write? Pollen are produced from the anthers. Pollen. P-O-L-L-E-N. Pollen you have to write. Clear? Pollen. Next, the buds present in the tuber contained stored food. This statement is false. Clear? This statement is false. Fourth one, the buds present in the tuber contain stored food is false. And instead of buds, you have to write underground stem. Instead of buds, what you have to write? Underground stem present in the tuber contained stored food. Underground stem. Next, insect pollinated flowers are brightly colored. This is true. This statement is true. Fifth one. So just listen once more time, true, false. First, carpel is the male reproductive part of flower is false. For correcting, instead of carpel you have to write stamen. Then second, binary fission and budding are the types of asexual reproduction. This is true. Next, third, seeds are produced from the anther. This is false. Instead of seed you have to write pollen. Pollen are produced from the anther. Next, the buds present in the tuber contained store food. This is false. And instead of buds you have to write underground stem. Underground stem. Next, fifth, insect pollinated flower are brightly colored. It is true. Last one is true. Clear? So these were true and false. Now fourth question is match the following. We shall discuss matchups now. Let us discuss. Match the following. Tuber. First is tuber. The answer is potato. C. First answer is C. Potato. Bryophyllum. Bryophyllum. Answer is A. Vegetative propagation. For bryophyllum, answer is A. Vegetative propagation. Next, for cutting, the answer is rose. E. Cutting, the answer is rose. E. This is the answer. Clear? E. Then Valsinaria. Valsinaria is water pollinated plant. So the answer is B. B is the answer for it. Clear? B. Valsinaria, water pollinated plant. Then maize. For maize, wind pollinated plant. D is the answer. D. Clear? D is the answer. So first answer tuber, C is the answer, potato. Bryophyllum, A is the answer, vegetative propagation. Cutting, rose is the answer, E. Then next, my dear students, Valsinaria. Valsinaria, B is the answer, water pollinated plant. And maize, D is the answer, wind pollinated plant. So these are the match the following. Clear all of you? Match the following. Next, rearrange the sequence to describe the process of fertilization in plants. This is the question. Next one. So let me tell you. This will be the first statement. First, the pollen grains are deposited onto the stigma. This is the first statement. Then this one is the second statement. Second. Clear? Pollen grain begin to grow a pollen tube. This is second statement. Then after that, third statement is this one. Pollen tube grows through the style to the ovary. Then next, this one will be 4. male cell travel down the pollen tube, and inside the ovule fusion of male cell with the female cell occur. This will be fifth point. All of you got understood? So first point will come, say the pollen grain are deposited on the stigma. Second point will be the pollen grain begin to grow a pollen tube. Then third one will be fifth point, the pollen tube grows through the style to the ovary. Then fourth point itself, the male cell travel down the pollen tube. And the fifth one will be third point, inside the ovule fusion of the male cell with the female cell occurs. Inside the ovule fusion of male cell with the female cell occurs. So these are the rearrange the sequence. Clear all of you? 1 2 3 4 5. Next, my dear students, one word. Let us discuss one word. First, removal of anther of a flower. It is known as emasculation. EMAS. EMASCULATION. Emasculation. Removal of anther of flower is emasculation. EMASCULATION. Last word is N. Emasculation. Then second, a method of artificial growing plants under laboratory condition. This is tissue culture. Second point is tissue culture. Tissue. TISSUE. Tissue culture. CULTURE. Tissue culture. First point, emasculation. Second, tissue culture. Next, the male reproductive part of a plant. Stamen. STAMEN. Stamen is the answer. The male reproductive part of plant is stamen. Next, part of plant where ovule is formed. Part of plant where ovule is formed. This is ovary. Ovary is the answer for it. OVARY. Ovary is the answer. Clear? Next, so first answer is emasculation. Second answer is tissue culture. Third, stamen. STAMEN. Fourth, part of flower where ovule is formed is ovary. Part of the flower where ovule is formed is ovary. And fifth, the process by which pollen grains reach the stigma. Process by which pollen grains reach the stigma, that is pollination. 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 Last point just I am discussing. Yes, see to the fifth point. The process by which pollen grains reach the stigma. This is pollination. 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 Next, a method of asexual reproduction and yeast. A method of asexual reproduction in yeast. Budding. Budding is the answer. A method of asexual reproduction in yeast is budding. Pollination, budding. Clear all of you? So this is the end of the book exercise. Question answers we shall discuss tomorrow. All of you must write somewhere the answers, or you may, if you have book, just you must write in the book. Thank you.